Okay, good afternoon, Mr. Robert Arthur. It's truly a pleasure to meet you today. First of all, allow me to introduce myself. My name is Sandi Kurniawan, and I'm the CEO of Kakak Rimang Electric, eh, an electrical system company based in Jepara, Central Java, Indonesia. We've been operating since 2012, focusing primarily on providing high-quality electrical system services, particularly for industrial-scale infrastructure, including power plants. Before we proceed further, I want to express my gratitude for your time today. I understand how valuable your schedule is, and I appreciate this opportunity to have a meaningful conversation about a potential collaboration that I believe could be mutually beneficial. Let me begin by briefly telling you about our company. Gagak Rimang Electric started with a team of only 5 people, and we've since grown into a specialist firm with a strong portfolio in electrical engineering services over the years. We've worked with a number of power plant contractors, handling everything from high voltage installations to automated control systems, grounding, lightning protection, and maintenance systems. Our most recent projects include involvement in electrical system integration for a coal-fired power plant in East Java and maintenance services for a renewable energy facility in West Kalimantan. We are particularly proud of our adaptability. We've delivered consistent results under diverse project demands, both in terms of scale and technical complexity. But enough about us, let me move toward why we are here today. The main purpose of our discussion is to explore the possibility to collaborating with your company on future power plant development projects. We believe there's a strong synergy between what we offer and what your team is aiming to achieving. I've reviewed your company's profile extensively, Mr. Arthur, and I must say I'm impressed. Your reputation for delivering technically sound, environmentally conscious infrastructure aligns closely with the values we uphold. We don't see ourselves merely as service providers, but as engineering partners fully embedded in technical and operational goals of the project. If I may share a little intermezzo, when I first came across your firm's portfolio, I was attending a technical symposium in Jakarta, and one of your one of your previous projects in Malaysia was being discussed during a panel. What caught my attention wasn't just the technology used, but the structured, systemic approach your company took in ensuring electrical safety across the entire operational pipeline. That's when I thought we would work really well together. Now, speaking of cooperation, I'd like to uh, propose a model of partnership where Kakak Rimang Electric would be positioned as your strategic subcontractor, or engineering partner responsible for the design, implementation, and maintenance of electrical system within your future power plant projects in Southeast Asia, Indonesia in particular, where we hold strong regional knowledge and logistical advantage. We're well equipped to handle both the early planning phase on site execution, our in-house engineers and technicians are certified, and we follow international standards such as IEC, IEEE, and ISO 9001 in our workforce. In addition, we are familiar with local regulatory environments, which often proves to be a critical advantage in executing projects efficiently. If I may elaborate just briefly on the scope of service, we could provide the first high and low voltage system installation, including substation, switchgear configuration, transformer, and distribution systems. The second, automation and control integration, SCADA system, relay protection, and programmable logic controllers or PLCs. The third one, safety and compliance, combines grounding, like component protection and firearm system tailored to power generation facility. And the last, post-commissioning maintenance and training, ensuring operational readiness and offering technical training to your staff. Now, I understand that partnerships must be not just on capability, but also on trust and alignment of values. That's why I'd be happy to share more about our working methods, project documentation, samples, as well as connect you with some of our existing partners who can vouch for our reliability and engineering quality. At the core of our approach is transparent communication. We use a centralized digital reporting system that keeps our partner updated in real time regarding every milestone from initial design draft to final handover. Our goal is to make your project management process easier, not more complicated. Also, I'd like to assure you that we fully respect the confidentiality and proprietary integrity of all project-related materials, and data protection agreements are standard practice in all our engagements. Perhaps it's a bit unusual, but I always believe that engineering projects are much about relationships as they are about numbers and circuits. At the end of the day, trust, shared goal, and good communication are what make a partnership truly effective. I'd also like to mention our possibility in terms of financial structuring. We understand that every project has its own budgetary rhythms, especially in infrastructure development. We are open to discussing progress-based payment milestone, resource sharing, or even long-term service agreements, depending on your operational model. As for the next step, if you are open to the idea, I would be more than happy to schedule a technical session between our engineering team and yours to align on key project needs and see where exactly our strengths can support your plans. Alternatively, we can begin with a pilot engagement, perhaps a consultation on an upcoming design specification, and then expand based on result. I've worked along a brief proposal document outlining what I just discussed, including sample project scopes and our certification. I'll leave it with you for your review. Mr. Arthur, I truly believe that a collaboration between your esteemed company and Kakak Rimang Electric could lead you excellent results, especially in a sector as demanding and strategic as power plant development. With our technical precision and your visionary project leadership, we can contribute to safer, smarter, and more sustainable energy infrastructure across the region. Before we close, allow me to express again how much I appreciate this meeting, regardless of what direction this conference takes. It's been a pleasure to connect with a leader whose work I admire. I hope this is just the beginning of productive professional relationship. Thank you once again for your time and consideration, Mr. Arthur. I look forward to hearing your thoughts and hopefully to work together in the near future. Good afternoon.